Guys, it's Troy, we have Logan, we have James. We are back for another week of a Driftomaniacs challenge. This is week, what is it, week 38, 762, week 762 of quarantine. This time it is, how fast can you go around a course while balancing a beaker, I don't know, what's a beaker? A beaker of water on a vehicle. So there's a challenge for a non-crawler, so we're gonna use our handy dandy trusty Red Cat Thunder Drift that we have used for a bunch of these challenges so far, and there's a prize for crawler, so we are going to use our lovely axial wraith for that one. Now we don't know what's going to be smarter yet, what kind of a beaker really makes the most sense. It also turns out the recommendation was to use plastic. Turns out we don't have a lot of clear plastic, so we do have these different kind of cups. We have a really big one. Is that better for holding the water in? Is a taller narrow one better, or is a super tall or narrower? This is out of Logan's science kit. You know, how would that work, and does that even count? I don't even know if that's actually legal or not. So we're going to try these out. Course is set up. It is 15 feet. You can see there 15 feet with a tire at the end, a tire at 7.5, and a tire at 0. These are going to be what we are going to slalom around in order to get our time. 2 laps. Fastest time wins. Here's how we're gonna do this. We have got Red Cat Thunder Drift. We have a beaker. We have a cup that Logan has expertly duct taped the heck out of it to keep it on the back of the Red Cat Thunder Drift. We figured out that it's close to level. We figured that's important, is to make sure this is close to level so we weren't hindering ourselves one way or the other. And we actually, for full clarity and showing that we meet the rules, we measured 20 millimeters down from the top, 2 centimeters, 20 millimeters down from the top, and put a line. So our water level should come to the top of that line. So we're gonna take our water, dump it in like a cool, refreshing glass, all the way to the top of that line. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, we're not quite level, are we? Oh no, a little bit too much. All right, we are actually, if you want to see, we're not cheating. It's actually over the line, which means we are under 20 millimeters from the top, penalizing ourselves. All right, attempt number 3 with the first one. Water is full, car is dry, track is dry. Set the camera up where everything can be seen. And when you're ready, Logan. 3, 2, 1, go. Super slow start. So far. And finish. 19 seconds. 19. Just like tweak you or something. 19. Where are we at? 19 what? 19 what? 1950. 19.5 seconds. All right. All right. Attempt number 2. Water is still full. We cleaned up the water from the vehicle. We have laid back out the course again. First attempt went horribly awry. Second attempt. All right, Logan, count me down. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, let the crawler tires rub on the links. Because that's really bad. No. Still haven't spilled any, I don't think. I think we're still clear. Oh, but we're going super slow. And finish. Well, that ain't gonna work. 33 seconds. 33 seconds? What? 33:39. Yeesh. Alright, we are now trying the other method. Alright, check it out. Test tube. Water is over the mark. If I give you the measurements so you can see it and you can be happy, look, so it's definitely 20, and when I level it out, it is over the 20. All right. Setting, handy dandy, in the back of its holder on the back of the Red Cat. Attempt number 3. Vial is full, car is almost dry. Don't, look at that. It just won't, the water just keeps coming out from somewhere. All right, car is dry. Track is out, Logan's on the timer. And
3, 2, 1, go.
time.
13:06.
All right, 13:06. Car is dry. Time is 13:06. Dun dun dun. All right, attempt 72. Tube on top of the crawler. Crawler is actually not all the way dry. Whoop. Suspension settling. All right. Water is off. Course is laid out. Logan's timing. He's very excited about it. And when you're ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
And done.
18:64.
Basically the same time, huh? I don't remember what the first one was. Basically the same time. Vehicle's dry. And time is 18:64. Alright, we're going to try the big old huge cup. Just for the heck of it. Just to see if that will actually be better. The tape doesn't like to stick to it. So if we come down here and see 20 millimeters, it's actually below that rib. I have it filled up to just above that rib, so we are definitely within. All right, Red Cat with the big beaker on the back of it is currently, as it turns out, hating life because this big beaker on the back weighs as much as the whole car does. See, the suspension is completely collapsed. I have a feeling this is going to be a massive fail, but let's give it a shot. Logan's still on the timer. You can see everything on the course. We count it down.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that sounds bad. And time.
18:40.
Alright, 1840 is not too bad, but we definitely beat that earlier. No water on it. I think the Red Cat's hating life, and let's check out. Captain America says 1840. Alright, that was fun. Wow. I think maybe crawler's not really made out for this kind of thing. The Red Cat drift car did pretty good, but you really had to watch how much weight we put on it. But pretty good results. So that's it for today. That was pretty fun. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to follow us for some more stuff. Go ahead while you're here, go ahead and check out some more videos that we have over here on the left hand side, right hand side for you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.